up, you guys? So today we are going to be doing my nails, my phalanges, okay? I've been waiting and waiting all day for my shipment from FedEx for my white polish, but it's still not here, so we might have to do a white gel base and then go in with my neon green, but we'll see. First things first, we got to take this polish off. I was able to remove all of that perfectly. I did rehydrate my skin because my skin became very dry because of the acetone, so I put some jojoba oil, and now I'm just going to try and clean the surface of my nail with a little bit of alcohol. You guys, I am no professional at this. I've just been trying to watch. Well, I'm lying. I'm kind of a professional. I did go to cosmetology school. I mastered more in hair cutting. I did do nails as well. It's just like ever since I was in school, like the nail education has literally like completely changed. As you guys can see, my nails are really, really short. They're jagged. They're always ripping and breaking, and they just like to split all the time. It's definitely probably a vitamin deficiency. I definitely probably don't eat enough iron or magnesium or whatever. Okay. Trimmed my hands. Now I think you're supposed to file and buff to get rid of the shine on your nails. Only use an e-file if you are a professional or you know what you're doing. That's what they all say, okay? Alright, I'm going to change the angle now so you guys can see me actually doing my hands. Alright, you guys. So I'm back with a different angle. I'm going to show you guys just my nails and how I do this whole process. So right now I'm trying to remove the purple off of my thumb. Plus I also need to fix the shape of this one because I'm going to be putting the stilettos on. So I need to match them up. It's good enough for me. Looks a lot better than before. Nail prep. Begin with clean, sanitized hands. Check. Push back each cuticle. Check. Remove the shine from the natural nail with a file. Check. Apply 1 coat of prep to the natural nail. This doesn't tell me if I should do them one at a time, but because I'm not putting this, it doesn't go in the light, I'm just going to do all my nails. Okay, so that was step 1. Technically, well, I don't really know. Technically, it's step 3. So now we're going to go to step 5. Apply 1 coat of the primer to the natural nail. My stickers didn't seal on here very well, if you guys can see that, but it is step 2. So we're going to do step 2 now. Same thing. I'm going to make sure my nails point down so nothing floods my cuticle. I want to make sure I start on my other hand first, so I'm going to stop this hand right here. Okay, size jelly tips to your natural or to your nail beds for a perfect fit. We're going to use this bit. It's like a little football bit that just comes with all e-files. And we also need to file the underneath part of the nails. Apply a thin layer of builder gel over the natural nails and cure for 30 seconds in the LED lamp. The good thing about this stuff is it doesn't really dry until you put it in the LED. Okay. Apply a thin layer of builder gel underneath the jelly tip, only to the area that will come in contact with the natural nail. Press the jelly tip on the natural nail with your thumb. Okay, press the jelly tip on the natural nail with your thumb from the cuticle to the free edge, making sure to remove any air bubbles. Cure under the uniquely designed flash cure LED lamp for 10 seconds. Remove your thumb, Okay, I can let it go. Rotate the nail to cure for an additional 30 seconds to make sure sides and edges are fully cured. Okay, well, I'm going to continue this with the rest of my fingernails, and I will be right back. So, you guys, I put all of the tips on my hands, and I cleaned them all off with alcohol. Remove the shine from the surface of the jelly tip with a file. So now I have to file all the tips just to remove the shine. And you can apply more builder gel if you want to make your nails thicker. These are pretty good. Because it's my first time, I just want to see how they work without any extra builder gel. Only my thumb has extra builder gel on it because, like I told you guys, I broke my thumbnail. So if you can see where the break is, let me try to put it in the light. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but my break was right here and it went all the way down. So only this one has extra layer on it, if you can tell. This one's also shorter, so I'm going to file this one a little bit shorter so they match. But right now I'm going to file all of the shine off. The shape of the stiletto that they are, they're a little bit more almond than they are stiletto. Doesn't bother me, but for the purpose of the video, I did stiletto them out a bit more. And then probably after this, I'm going to round them all off to be a more almond shape because for work, I don't think I can work in stiletto nails. So we're going to be doing Pixie Hollow on my first finger and then lime green on all of the other fingers. Well, lime green, it's really green with envy on all of the other fingers. We're going to start with white first. Just want to show you guys if you can you see the bumps? Like little pebbles and stuff. I don't really know what that is, but I know it's going to piss me off at the end of the design. And wow, way to fart, Roscoe. Okay. Let's see how this turns out.
Alright, you guys, so this is me trying to paint the green with envy over the gel white polish, and this just did not work out at all. The green polish looked extremely chunky compared to the fingernail with no white polish on it. I just believe that the white polish that I was using was really cheap. Obviously, it was from Amazon. It had bubbles and balls in it, and it was just not working for this look. So I did end up filing off all of this and redoing everything with just the green polish by itself.
Alright, you guys, I'm back. I filed off all of the stupid ass white polish that wasn't working. And what we're going to do is flash cure this for 10 seconds. Oh my god, I can see the green neon everywhere. I only want to flash cure it because I want to make sure that it's sticky. We're going to grab the glitter. And all I'm going to do is just dust it right up there. Finish curing it. Oh, I definitely should not be rushing this process. This is like the most important part. Like, I just want to give up and stop right now. I have green polish everywhere.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So it has been Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days into having the Kiara Sky jelly tips on. As you guys can tell, this one snapped. It was way too thin. I do believe it's because when I tried with the gel white polish and then put the green on and then filed it off, I should have added more layers of builder gel to them because they were really, really thin. Like even this first finger popped off as well, but I added more builder gel, and like as you guys can see, on my first finger, I tried to do 2 layers of builder gel and then put the gel underneath to glue it on. And it made my nail really thick. If you could see it underneath, see the difference? So I don't know if maybe I didn't push it down enough because the nail wasn't see-through, so I couldn't see. I also filed down the stiletto part and I was starting to reshape them. It's very easy to file these tips. This is my right hand. It's still going strong, baby, because I did it first. I don't have a top coat on this finger because the glitter was making the nail really thick and I didn't like how it looked, so I started filing it. So I gotta figure out how to use glitter with these sets. But this is the review 4 days in. I broke these two. So I just told everybody, I'm like, oh, this is the ringless nail look. It means I ain't got no fiance, no boyfriend, no nada. Holla. But yeah, that's 4 days into the week with this nails. As for the polish review, this is with like several layers. The color is gorgeous. It's beautiful. But I need to try it with a regular white polish underneath instead of 3 layers of green. I feel like it will stand out a lot more.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So I'm doing my last check-in on this set of Kiara Sky jelly tip nails. So you guys seen in the previous clip, I think that was about 3 or 4 days in. It has now been a full week, and these are my nails. I have ripped off quite a few gems. This nail actually came off, like I said. This one broke, but the reason why this broke and why some of these are flexible is because I did not rebuild the nail with builder gel when I first filed off the white gel that was on the nail. So if your nail is too thin and it's bending, it's because it's really thin. Like, you need to add more layers to it to thicken it up, because not all of the nails bend, which lets me know that that nail is super weak. So it's not the fault of the nail or anything like that. It's my own fault for filing it too low. But overall, I love the process of the nails. I love how easy it is to make them. I can decorate however I want. My only problem is now I need an actual professional nail drill, because the one that I have is from Amazon and bleh, it's kind of shitty. So I think that this kit is definitely beginner friendly, and it's definitely a success and not a mess. I love it. I am going to dive more deep into it. So probably next week you guys will see me do a new nail vlog of a different color and a completely different set, because I have a vlog coming up, and in that vlog I'm going to the gun range. I'm going to go shoot in and whatnot, so I need to trim these down a little bit because I'm still not used to shooting guns, but we shall see. That is my final check-in. I'm going to do a close-up of my nails for y'all. So the glitter ones were actually really hard. I don't know how to play with glitter just yet, especially on gel nails. So I believe the next set that I'm going to do, I'm going to put the gel underneath the nail and then apply it, because the way that I applied it was on top, and I did like 2 to 3 layers, almost like you do dip, and they were really thick, really chunky. So right now they're not shiny because there's no top coat on them, because I started filing them already. The glitter I'm having issues with. I don't know how to play with glitter just yet. But you guys, like, this is a super easy kit. It's almost like a press-on nails kind of kit, but better because it's gel. And it just makes your life easier, especially if you love doing your nails. Like, this is a good segue on how to start doing them. And mind you guys, I work for UPS, so I'm a driver, and I still love to get my nails done. Everyone was like, how do you deliver with these nails on, baby? You just do it, okay? Like, I'm out here throwing packages, lifting up 85 packages. I do it. I do it all. And guess what? I only broke one nail, even though I fucked up this whole set. Like, trust me when I tell you, this kit is a success. This thing is a 10 out of 10. I recommend, and I hope y'all try it. Comment down below if you have tried it. Do you like it? Like, do you recommend A-Press nails? Do you recommend E-Nail Couture nails instead? I do want to try some of their nails, and obviously you can mix them because it's just gel at the end of the day. But let me know down below if you guys want to see some other tips from other companies, because I'm definitely interested in getting some E-Nail Couture nails, even though there's a little bit of, like, I don't know if it's animosity online or what, but like, I be seeing a lot of things about people saying they ain't ordering shit from Max no more, and I'm like, what? But he like his stuff is like really like lit. I don't know. But if there's drama with this company, like, let me know down below. But at the end of the day, if their products are good, their products are good. I cannot deny that. So that is one company that I do want to try, the jelly tips. So Let me know down in the comments below what y'all think of that company. The gems that I have, if you guys are wondering, I did get them from Amazon. It was just like an Amazon kit. It was like, I think like $10 or something, and it came with like the silver ones and then like the multi-chrome colored ones. So there's that. I also want to see, like, I don't know if there's a way to tint these ones, like maybe if I color them with marker, or I was thinking like putting Sharpie with water and then leaving these in there to tint. I don't know. I'm getting off track. Anyways, I hope y'all had a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed this what am I gonna call it, this beginner tutorial, because I know a lot of the tutorials they like to skip a lot. It's hard. Listen, we all learning, we all moving up, and I'm trying to learn with y'all. So if y'all see that I did a mistake, just comment it down below. Like I said, let me know. I hope y'all have a good one, and make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hit that bell for any notifications for when I do upload. I do upload every Monday and Wednesday. Mondays at 3 and Wednesdays at 8. Sundays at 3 p.m. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!